Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. It's November and we're just about to set up for a deer drive for the controlled hunt. So stay tuned and let's see what we get into. So some of you may notice as you're watching hunting videos online, everything seems to go absolutely perfect for the people in the videos. Perfect shot placement, perfect recovery of the animals. Well, I'm here to tell you today that's not always the case. In fact, rarely that's ever the case. Today's a prime example. I got set up on a fence row that the deer use as sort of an escape route. We had a deer drive pushing the bush, and of course one came out in front of me. I don't even begin to tell you what happened. I can't even explain it. Just roll the footage. I can't tell if he's still running, but if I missed him, it'd be a miracle. He was 5 feet from me. So, as you can see, no animals are harmed in the making of this video. Sometimes things work out for you, sometimes they don't. Today was not my day. I can pretty much guarantee at some point in your life, if you're a hunter, this will happen to you or at least someone in your gang. I'm never going to forget this day, and I can guarantee none of the guys that I hunt with are going to forget it either. I'm sure they're going to remind me for quite some time. So I'm going to take this as a learning lesson, make sure that I make some adjustments and try not to let this happen ever again. But as always, there's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.